All right, I am here at a cottage, and inside their boat house here, there is all kinds of fish. It's so cool. I love coming here. There's actually catfish in here, and I don't really know. I don't know much about fish, but all I know is because I like to cook it and eat it, but I don't usually fish. But I just wanted to show you how there is a whole bunch of fish. And I'm doing a demo to show you that what I appreciate about ENJO is that it is water only, fiber technology, and if I need some marble paste and calcium dissolver, I'm going to show you also that we've been testing out this boat that has all this buildup from all this iron at the bottom there from being in the water. So I did this section here. As you can see, it's almost perfect. This I did not do, and this we did. So I may have to come back again one more time. I'm going to show you from this angle. See the two sections we did? So this is pretty amazing. So what I have to mention is that we use the citrus calcium dissolver, and what I did is I used the Extreme Outdoor Duoglove, which is this one here, that has the scratchy back. So I use this one first because ENJO takes everything off in layers. And as you can see, there are many layers here from the exposure to being in the lake. So what you need to do is you need to use your water bottle. If you have the pump, use that. Look at, see the fish down here? So cool. I don't want to damage or hurt this water or the fish that's in here, as well as the turtles and all the reptiles and stuff. So I'm going to use nothing but plant-based, natural, healthy soaps to use to clean this amazing boat and all this patio furniture. So if you see also on here, I did the top of this box, and it's got some black marks, which are definitely damage to the surface, so that will never get clean. But look at the difference of the dirt from before. That's a spot I didn't clean yet, and this is the rest of it that I cleaned. So look at the difference. It is just amazing. So I cleaned this box. I'm cleaning these patio chairs. I'm watching the fish, and I'm also helping to see if we can remove the residue and buildup on this boat before going onto the lake and touring with their family. So here we go again, there's beautiful fish in here. So I'm going to show you how much built up was on these patio chairs. So this cottage was left with furniture that was already here, and there's a lot of black mold and stuff everywhere on this patio chair. So I'm using the marble paste. First I did wash again, just like the boat, wash with the water. Use your scrubby side of the glove and go ahead and try to remove all those layers of the black mold that's on there, okay? And then what I kept handy is this wand, which is the new Flexi Outdoor Flexi, and it's amazing because I can actually reach into all of these crevices and go all the way along and clean the inside part of all of that. I can also do the lip of this cabinet here, this little storage bin. I can do the lip on the inside, and when I open in here, I can do the same thing with that. So this is a super handy wand. It is a new Father's Day pack, so I would recommend, if you have patio furniture as they do here, this would be a huge investment to be able to clean all of that. Now I'm going to show you by adding some water. So what I did is, like you can see the circles here, I added some marble paste on that surface and I let it sit for a little bit because I want it to work in there. So I'm going to spray some water and show you how much comes off just from that circular motion of the Duoglove, the Outdoor Extreme Duoglove. So see the film that was on here that I washed? And look at that. It's basically pretty much gone. And then I will follow behind and finish this. So protect your environment. Use water only. Invest in plant-based natural soaps like the citrus calcium dissolver, as well as the marble paste for any hard cleaning needs. So you don't need any harsh cleaners. I was told by the owner of this boat that they usually apply a very harsh chemical to remove all this. I would not be lying if I told you it honestly took me not even 5 minutes to do those spots there. So consider investing in ENJO fibers, as well as if for those hard clean, like at my shower, in your toilet, if you've got hard water. These two soaps are absolutely amazing, especially if you like to cook with cast iron. You basically need your ENJO fibers and no soaps. So there we go. Have a great day, everyone. And please be kind and respect nature, and do not use any chemicals, because these little creatures back here, they want to be not having a runoff of chemicals that gets down in here when someone is cleaning their boats. Okay, so have a great day, everyone.